Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is Selena. Welcome back to one of my crochet videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do a crochet video that I release every week, so I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like this video if you like it, and to subscribe. It means the world to me. The free pattern for every one of my projects is up on my blog selenaveronique.com, and it's a free PDF download, so just head over there to download the free pattern, and everything will be linked in the description box. So today I am bringing to you this gorgeous fluffy project that was such a joy to make. It's made with Sirdar Touch, which is irresistibly soft fur, and it's so gorgeous. I love it. And you only need one skein of this yarn for this project, so this is a different color to this, but they're both the same brand, obviously. And it was a delight to work with this. This is just like a really gorgeous cowl. It's a very easy beginner friendly project. You can make it in 2 hours. So to make this project you will need a 10mm crochet hook, a skein of Sirdar Touch, a tapestry needle, and a pair of scissors. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll just jump right in. So for the purpose of this video, I will be making a smaller sample. However, I will give you all the directions to make your cowl the right size, and once we've gone through all the steps, I'll show you how to join your project with my actual project that I've not yet stitched together to make the cowl, but I'll show you when the time comes how to do that. So to begin, to make your cowl, you will be making a slip knot. So just go ahead and make your slip knot. Pop your hook through that slip knot, and you are, for this pattern, going to be chaining 16. So I'm just going to zoom in. So just go ahead and chain 16. I'm just going to chain less. 1, 2, 3. So here we go. So you will have chained 16 with your 10mm crochet hook. So basically what you're going to do is make a double crochet into the 4th chain from the hook. So basically you are going to count 1, 2, 3, so skip those 3 first stitches right here and go into that 4th stitch. Wrap your yarn around your hook, pop your hook through that stitch like so, take your yarn, pull it through. You've got 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn, pull through 2 loops, and take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and you have a double crochet. And this first chain 3 right here, as always, counts as your first double crochet. So you are going to be doing a double crochet into the next stitch again. So just do your double crochet. If you need more help on how to double crochet, I will be linking my video on how to double crochet in the description box, so you can just click on that, and it shows you in great detail how to double crochet. So make another double crochet into the next stitch, and basically this is what we're going to do. We're just going to have a row of double crochets for this first row. So here we go. I'm just going to go into the last stitch, and you should have 14 double crochets in total. Obviously I have less because this is just a sample. So there we go. So to do row 2, you are going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and this counts as your first double crochet. Turn your work, and as this counts as your first double crochet, you're going to go directly into the second stitch. So this is the first stitch, go into the second right here and place a double crochet like so, and just go ahead and place a double crochet into every double crochet from the previous row until the end of your row. So I'm just going to quickly do that. So I've done my double crochet row and I'm almost finished, but I just wanted to show you this detail. Here is the chain 3 from the previous row, and it doesn't look exactly like a stitch, but it is a stitch. So just remember to always place a double crochet into this. So just go ahead and place a double crochet into that chain 3 from the previous row, and this is what it should look like. Again, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn your work, and we are going to be working into the third row. So again, this counts as our first double crochet. So go directly into the second stitch and place your double crochets, and you will have guessed by now this is a very repetitive pattern, so just go ahead and just do all your rows of double crochet. If you need more help, just rewind the video. So here we go. Don't forget the last stitch right here, which is the chain 3 from the previous row. Just go ahead and repeat this pattern until you've completed 16 rows in total. So you need 16 rows in total of your double crochets, and once you've done that, I'll show you how to do that. Just remember that once you've finished your 16 rows, when you fasten off, do leave a long tail for sewing, just because that saves you the hassle of having to attach your yarn. So just leave like quite a long tail just to sew your cowl. So here we are, I'm back. I've done my 16 rows. I've left my long tail to sew. I might have done it a teeny bit long, so I'm just gonna snip off this yarn because it's just not gonna work for me. So there we are. So what you're going to do is fold your cowl into, choose the side that you prefer. Anyway, just choose the side that you prefer, and pop your needle, pop your yarn through your tapestry needle like so. And what we're going to do is just stitch up our cowl. I like to use what I call the mattress stitch. It's just when you go back and forth, and it's more of a seamless stitch. However, you can use whatever stitch that you prefer. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to pop my needle through. Obviously, this is a bit of a fluffy yarn, so sometimes it can get a bit stuck, but it should be pretty straightforward. There we go. I've popped it in through one side, and what I'm going to do is just go directly on the other side, pop my needle through that, go into the other side of the cowl. I hope you can see clearly it's a very like simple stitch. So I'm just going to go back and forth. There we go. And I'm just going to go into that side. So basically just stitch your cowl up till the end of that side, and I'll get back to you to show you how I fasten off. So I've just finished sewing my cowl in. I do have quite a long tail left, so I'm just going to snip some off again, just because it's easier. What I'm going to do, because I've got my loose end from the beginning of the project, so I'm just going to tie these together loosely. Don't do it too harshly, just to give it that extra security. So gently tying them together just to block the project. And what I'm going to do is just sew in my loose ends. So just like I would always do that, just pop my needle through and just go in and out of this cowl. There we go. And there we are. Just a bit random, just to secure this. So, and then once I've done that, I'm just going to snip off my yarn. There we go, and I'll do the same with the other side. So there we are, we've got our cowl. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment if you have anything to say or a question. I respond to every single comment. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next week. Bye bye.